from crowded streets to fields of gold. Different languages, different stories, but tonight our hearts beat bold. Every dream that started in the shadows, every voice that dared to say, I believe there's something greater, finds its moment here today. The road was never smooth or easy. There were mountains left to climb. There were days we thought we'd never see our names written in the sky. But every step became a promise, every fall became a spark, every challenge made us stronger, like a fire in the dark. Now the world is turning, hear the thunder calling out, millions standing shoulder to shoulder, raising hope above the dead. We are the champions of tomorrow, writing history tonight, holding on through every sorrow, shining brighter than the light. Hand in hand we cross the borders, breaking walls we've always known. We are the champions of tomorrow, and together we have grown. Hear the voices rise, reaching for the sky. We are the champions of tomorrow. This is where the future starts. Look around at all the faces, every journey brought us here. Every heart contains a story, every story conquered fear. From the oceans to the deserts, from the valleys to the seas, we're connected by a feeling that no distance can defeat. When the pressure feels like lightning, when the odds are standing tall, we remember why we started and we answer every call. Not because the path is certain, not because the way is clear, but because we know together there's no dream beyond our reach. Feel the rhythm building like a wave across the earth, every nation, every color showing what we're truly worth. We are the champions of tomorrow, writing history tonight, holding on through every sorrow, shining brighter than the light. Hand in hand we cross the borders, breaking walls we've always known. We are the champions of tomorrow, and together we have grown. Hear the voices rise, reaching for the sky. We are the champions of tomorrow. This is where the future starts. Raise the flags high, let them fly. Every dream deserves a chance. Every heartbeat, every step, every sacrifice and dance. When the world remembers this moment, let us say we stood as one, not divided by our differences, but united by what we've become. Through the storms and through the seasons, through the victories and pain, we kept moving toward the rise, and through the sunshine and the rain. Now the stars above are watching as we write another page, and the echoes of our courage will inspire future age. No fear, no limits, no surrender, no shadow can stop this flame. The future belongs to the dreamers, to the ones who change the game. So lift your voice a little higher, let the whole world sing along. This is more than just a moment, this is where we all belong. We are the champions of tomorrow, standing stronger than before. When the final whistle echoes and the crowd begins to fade, the memories will keep on living in the hearts we've touched today. For the dream is never ending, it continues evermore. We are the champions of tomorrow,